Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it would seem that the Australian dollar is not as impressive as it was last week to its bull run. With the market recently posting a negative candle, the market's dropped away from that, or close to the 60-day simple moving average around 73.19, and now looks back towards the support at 72.25.35. It is assessed that the market should display further weakness into the coming session, and therefore I do expect to see a decline, and once breaking through 72.25 exposes the region of 71.65 or down to 70.95. Any advances still sees 73 figure 30 as a sell opportunity. The overnight price action for euro ends in a bearish outside range day, also a long-legged doji. Two negative signals, but I would like to see a little bit to the support the confirmation to the negative signal, and therefore look for a move if seen through 116.90. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and look towards the region of 115.20. So quite a strong confirmation that the market has reversed away from this 117.55 to 118 figure. As I mentioned yesterday, this was a sell opportunity, so no doubt the market should be short. So do play the range accordingly and lower your stop loss in terms of not getting stopped out in a loss, but more to a profit. But as I mentioned, to your risk management. The dollar yen still attempting for the third day to challenge this level around 112.80. Although we got to a high of 97, we have dropped away quite quickly to the downside and now trading around this level 112.80. It is viewed that the market may struggle as the ADX is overheating. We are overbought, and therefore this could see a market plummet back towards the region of 112.05 to 111.45.85. So I'm not bullish at these levels. The pound went back to re-challenge that break level, as you can see, of that short-term trend, but failed to recapture it and dropped away quite quickly after posting a high overnight of 131.66. You can see just where this line comes in, does cap around the resistance of 131.70. On the day, I do expect to see further weakness, and still, with the technical implications coming through, a break of 130.60 would or should see a move to 128.40.80, where the safety net is likely to be holding for the pound. Gold trading sideways, and little to talk about that further. As you can see, the market dropped away from 12 and still holding above the support at 89.91, though we are slightly weaker. But I don't expect to see this range broken in the next 24 hours. Oil breaks above the 71.40 level and now looks towards the region of $73 a barrel. I'm a bear at this level, and I'm looking to shorten the market as I feel we could soon see a sharp turnaround. So do look for that opportunity if it arises. Support on the day seen at 71.60 and 70.80. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.